Today, runners arrive at the start lines with a very wide range of training. At one extreme, they could have simply followed some online guide or a program they developed on their own. At the other end of the spectrum are those who participated in a highly customized program. With this kind of variation in population, runner support is becoming increasingly important. At the 35-kilometer refreshment station, some of the top runners were beginning to react to the heat.